Yeah. All right. Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. I'm feeling, yeah, in the morning, fever all through the night. Sun lights up the daytime and moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right. You give me fever, yeah, when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. I'm feeling, yeah, yeah, in the morning, fever all through the night. Never. Oh, everybody's got the fever. That is something you all know. Fever is such a new thing, but fever started long ago, yeah. Romeo loves Juliet, and Juliet, she felt the same. And when he put his arms around her, she said, Julie, baby, you my flame. They give us fever when we kiss, fever when we're flaming you. Oh, but fever, never fire. Yeah, better burn for soon now. Captain Smith and Pocahontas had a very mad affair, and when her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh, don't you dare. He gives us fever with his kisses, and fever when he holds me tight.